What is a ketogenic diet good for? The human body is complete machinery, and every machinery needs fuel to operate correctly. Diet is the fuel of the human body. Every human requires food and a diet to get some energy to perform certain activities inside the human body. Many calories are also needed for the human body to perform certain physical activities on a daily basis. A healthy diet provides the required number of calories to the human body for performing certain physical activities and the activities inside the body. So, a healthy diet and good nutrition can help a human to live a perfectly healthy life. Moreover, a healthy diet and nutrition can also save a human from many diseases. Diet, along with some exercise, is also essential to maintain a healthy weight and perfect physique. Nowadays, many nutrition and fitness experts suggest diet plans to tackle many diseases and weight loss. If you want to gain or lose a certain amount of body weight, you can get a specific diet plan. By following that diet plan, you can definitely gain or lose your desired body weight. There are many famous diets plans for fat loss or weight loss. The ketogenic diet is one of the best diet plans that can help you lose weight without taking any medicines. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. What is ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a diet in which fats are kept in high proportion, and carbohydrates are kept very low. In other words, it is also known as a low-carb diet because in the ketogenic diet plan, the number of carbohydrates is cut down, and the number of healthy fats is essentially increased. Using the ketogenic diet plan, you can improve the insulin levels in your body. Due to the use of very low carbs in the ketogenic diet, the human body can lose much fat because the body fats can be used as a source of energy. The human body converts fats into the ketones and uses them as a source of energy for the body. The carbohydrates are the sugars present in the fruits, milk, vegetables, grains, and other food items, etc. Reducing this amount of sugar from the diet can improve the functionalities of the liver. While on the other hand, fats are the nutrients obtained from corn, sunflower, soybean, flaxseed, fish, etc. Healthy fats are essential for some of the functionalities of the heart and brain. Moreover, fats can have many beneficial multivitamins that can improve many human bodies' functionalities. But an excessive amount of fats can be dangerous and cause many diseases like heart attack, etc. However, in the ketogenic diet plan, the fats and carbs are placed very carefully by the fitness and nutrition experts. Ketogenic diet foods. Ketogenic diet plans have become very popular nowadays because they prevent the human body from many diseases like cancer, heart attack, diabetes, etc. These diseases have increased in humans worldwide, so the ketogenic diet is very popular worldwide nowadays. We have discussed some ketogenic diet foods that are very famous and included in almost all the ketogenic diet plans. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Following are some of the ketogenic diet list of foods. 1. Seafoods. Nutrition experts suggest kinds of seafood, including the shellfish, salmon, and many other types of fish in the ketogenic diet list of foods. All kinds of fish contain very healthy fats in them that can be a beneficial source of fat and energy for the human body. Moreover, all the fish are enriched with a massive amount of protein to help muscle gain. This protein amount can also help retain the muscle and amount of energy requirements during a ketogenic diet. Omega-3 can be very useful for tackling heart diseases and maintaining insulin levels. 2. Low-carb vegetables. Vegetables are a very cheap source of multivitamins and essential nutrients in the body. There are a lot of vegetables that include a deficient number of carbs in them. Cauliflower, broccoli, kale are deficient in carb as compared to other nutrients. Moreover, vegetables can prevent the waste of free radicals from the human body, which can help maintain the muscles in a low-carb diet. 3. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry can be a low-carb diet option while following the ketogenic diet plan. Meat and poultry include essential minerals and nutrients like zinc, selenium, and potassium. They are also enriched with vitamin B, omega-3 healthy fats, and proteins. These things make them very beneficial in controlling cholesterol, extra body fat, and many diseases like blood pressure and cancer. These foods can also play their role as an antioxidant in the human body. 4. Eggs. Eggs are also deficient carb diet and are essentially included in all ketogenic diet plans and ketogenic list of foods. Each egg contains only 1 gram of carbohydrates, which is a comparatively meager amount of carbs. On the other hand, eggs are a very cheap and famous source of protein and essential amino acids. Eggs are very handy for maintaining the human body's muscle mass and energy while following the ketogenic diet plan. Eggs can also be very beneficial for heart and brain functionalities. Moreover, they are very helpful for human skin, nails and hair. 5. Nuts and seeds. All the nuts and seeds are very high in healthy fats and other essential nutrients and minerals. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios are very useful for preventing heart and liver diseases. All these nuts and seeds are full of minerals and nutrients that are very beneficial for the human body. All the nuts are also very deficient in carbs and are a good source of healthy fats. 6. Butter, cream and yogurt. Butter, milk, cream, and yogurt are the best fats and energy sources while following the ketogenic diet plan. All these milk products have significantly less amount of carbs in their nutrition values. Also, these fats are called saturated fats. These fats can be very healthy and beneficial for heart diseases if taken in a moderate amount. Yogurt is very helpful in the digestive system and provides so many other health benefits. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Some other benefits of the ketogenic diet. There are a lot of health benefits of the ketogenic diet. We will discuss some of the top health benefits below. 1. Weight loss. One of the best and top-rated benefits of the ketogenic diet is weight loss. A human can control his appetite by following the ketogenic diet plan because it can reduce the hunger-stimulating hormone. The ketogenic foods can fill a normal human very quickly and increase the human body's metabolism system. Fat loss becomes very easy due to the less use of carbs, and as a result, the weight is lost. You can find many examples around you who have lost their weight by following the ketogenic diet. 2. Improve acne. Many people struggle to tackle acne. There can be many reasons for acne, but one of the main reasons is blood sugar, resulting in many skin problems like acne. By using the ketogenic diet plan, the working of the liver can be improved, and the blood sugar can be reduced. As a result, acne and many other skin problems can be controlled by following the keto diet plan. 3. Reducing certain cancers. Ketogenic diets can help to prevent certain cancers in humans. Keto diets in food are used as an antioxidant and can reduce the oxidant tension in the human body's damaged cells. The oxidant tension in the damaged cells is the leading cause of death due to cancer. So, by using the keto diet, the death rate due to cancer can be decreased by a certain number. Moreover, the keto diet can increase the insulin levels of the human body that can reduce diabetes, many liver disorders, and cancer. Many pieces of research show the treatment of cancer by using ketogenic diets. But researchers are still working on cancer treatment using the ketogenic diet. 4. Heart health improvements. In a ketogenic diet, you can only eat good and healthy fat instead of unhealthy fat. The healthy fat can help in reducing the bad cholesterol from the body. Many researches have shown that a ketogenic diet reduces unhealthy cholesterol from the body and increases healthy cholesterol. Moreover, by reducing unhealthy cholesterol, a ketogenic diet can control many cardiovascular diseases in humans. So, many heart complications and cardiovascular diseases can be reduced by using the ketogenic diet plans. 5. Improved brain functions. The brain functions are essential in the human body because they control many functions of other body parts. The use of a keto diet can improve neuron functions and reduce many brain diseases. The use of nuts and seeds in the ketogenic diet is very beneficial for the human brain and memory. All the nuts have some special effects on the human brain, and the use of nuts can improve memory as well. There are many other health benefits of the ketogenic diet, but we have discussed the top benefits. We suggest you always follow a ketogenic diet plan prescribed by any nutrition expert because there are many adverse effects of the ketogenic diet and ketogenic foods. Never try to follow a diet plan by yourself because you can use some food in your diet, which can be dangerous for a specific disease. It will be best for you to get a customized diet plan from nutrition experts. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Get more information here. https://hnon.link/keto-diet